Hey, good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at pound dollar. On the daily chart, what we have over here is a strong bullish candle. If you look left, there is a previous, long shadow over here, perfect turning point. Take note of any possibility of the market may fail to break and have a retracement. Down to the 4-hour chart, what we observe over here is once again two very strong bullish candle, and of course before market close it starts to slow down a bit. It's pretty normal. 1-hour chart, what we can see is over here close to like maybe a 85 degrees aggressive move, aggressive bullish trend. This kind of trend is really hard to last. Usually it will have a bit of retracement before it starts gain position, and sometimes it may cause this to become a great retracement, even a trend reversal within this small time frame. So just have to take note. Back to the daily, let me share with you my analysis. So over here, what you can see is some indicators. If you're interested to find out more, just scan this QR code. You can head straight to our website, communicate with our traders over here. Scroll down even further, you can start learning how to trade Forex for free over here. And it's substantial enough for you to start trading. Further down, what you can see is trade ideas that I share based on structure base and harmonic pattern. Back to pound dollar, let me share with you my analysis over here. Market has break and closed above the previous high, so right now resistance have turned support. Head down to the 4-hour chart. You see this is the head and shoulder formation I've shared with you last week. Have I also do you still remember that I even told you that if you missed it, you just wait for this trend line, you retest, you can just head in for a buying opportunity and see how much you can just capture 152 pips just like that. All right, so really you have to stay tuned and share these videos with your friends on your Facebook timeline. I'm not asking you to follow blindly, but it does give you some ideas and some thoughts on how you can place your stops and targets and stuff like that. But always remember to do your own analysis before placing a trade. On the 1-hour chart, this is what we got. Very strong bullish candle. At this moment, I'm just waiting for a retracement back down. Hopefully, well, if it's a very aggressive move, then it will consolidate at this level. If not, the next level at this trend line is where I prefer to engage my trade. So looking for buying opportunity over here. Of course, aggressive trader can wait for a bearish candle to see if this bearish engulfing candle can head in for a retracement trade for you. Because this is quite a good idea. 70 over pips over here, and over here even to the moving average is about close to 100 pips, and of course to the trend line, depends where it goes, is also above 100 pips. And this opportunity is so much better than the euro dollar for a retracement trade. All right, so that's all I have for you today. Looking forward to see you soon in our community. Till then, remember, always plan your trade and trade your plan. Take care, guys.